Welcome back to WeatherBug here on this Monday. Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Beautiful display of northern lights here on Saturday night into Sunday, and still possibly even last night into early this morning across the northern hemisphere. Hope you're able to see that if you're a northern latitude dweller, and weather permitting, of course. And snow continues to pile into parts of the region. We'll talk about that as well. High temperatures, though, in the southern say third of the nation, quite mild. 87 yesterday at San Antonio, and even seeing some 90s. Up to the north, another fresh batch of cold Arctic air, modified Arctic air, heading southbound on the backside of kind of a dual low pressure system. Yesterday, 17 degrees below average, and St. Louis will be almost 20 degrees below average in the Twin Cities. And here are those two storms, one in the high plains and another one moving through the midsection of the country. And these two systems will kind of bring wintry weather to two different sides of the country here. So for the first part, up to the far north, very gusty winds. That's a problem with this storm. Winds could be gusting 40 to maybe 50 miles per hour, along with anywhere from, say, 3 to 6 inches of snow for central and northern Minnesota, 6+ as you head up to the north. The Twin Cities, though, only around 2 to 4 total, but with those winds, some blizzard warnings impacting those areas. Off to the northeast, winter storm warnings have been issued for those areas, as we could see 4 to 8+ inches, especially in the higher elevations up that way. And as that storm system kind of merges up to the north with that other low, we're going to watch some thunderstorms erupt in the southeast, from southeastern Kentucky to the Gulf Coast states. Hail, high winds, maybe an isolated tornado threat, and along with that comes some very heavy rainfall, talking the order of maybe 1 to 2+ inches. And then also the northwest, looking at some pretty decent rainfall and precipitation. Now, as we approach mid to late week, the big story will be the cold air coming in again as we approach the first day of spring.